Hello everyone. One of the most common questions a potential customer asks about the Pro 1600 oven would be regarding the thermal control. So the question is, what is the thermal control like in this oven? How precise is it? And to answer that, we're just going to demonstrate the graph. Currently there's a sample cycle that's running, and on the main graph we have the red line, which represents the air temperature inside the heating chamber. We have the temperature value being displayed on the top left side of the screen. Again, it's all real time. And with this particular profile, the initial set point is 220 Celsius for 60 seconds, and then we're ramping at 2 degrees Celsius per second to 260 for 60 seconds again, and then there's a cool down stage. So we have 220 and 260 as the set points, and we can see that we're at 219 and a half, 220, and we can see the precision in terms of what is the actual temperature inside the chamber relative to the set temperature, which is 220. So in terms of the tolerance, more or less within 1 degree Celsius of the set point. Now it's going to the second temperature set point, which is 260 Celsius for 60 seconds. It's going to maintain the same value, more or less. So we can see the precision and control in terms of the set values relative to the actual values within the heating chamber.